Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel Lyceum of Politics. Now my friends, today I will discuss with you another theory of sovereignty, the pluralist theory of sovereignty. So let's begin our journey and let's discuss the pluralist theory of sovereignty. So my friends, as you all know by now from my last video that the monistic theory of the state envisaged the absolute, supreme and universal power of the sovereign, right? So thus it portrayed the state as an association which is much superior to all other human associations because it possessed sovereignty, and sovereignty is an exclusive power of the state only, right? But with the evolution of time in the 20th century, several scholars started to bring into light how the economic interest of the dominant class in the society exclusively determined the policy of the state. And this, my friends, eventually posed a threat to the freedom of the society, according to them, obviously. And thus, new theories regarding the nature of the state started to come up in the 20th century, which often launched an attack on the existing all supreme theories related to the nature of the state. These theories tried to redefine the nature of the state, okay, by treating it as one of all the other associations of human beings that operate within a society in order to achieve the several goals of the individuals. Now, there were many scholars who supported the pluralist theory of the state, and some of them are like the French thinker Leo Duguay, English thinkers like Barker, Lasky, and the famous American sociologist Robert McIver. But there were many more along with them also, okay? So, my friends, as you can understand by now that the pluralist theory recognizes the several associations of the society that works for the fulfillment of the varied human needs and interests in the society, and the state is also one of these kind of associations. Okay. In fact, they specify that the state shall play the role of a coordinator. In which sense? In the sense that it will work to coordinate the activities of these different associations, and therefore it can prove itself distinct from the other associations up to some extent and also work for the maintenance of order in society. Okay. It is the responsibility of the state itself that it should justify the use of the powers it has. That is the privilege that it enjoys in the sense that its jurisdiction is compulsory over the individuals and associations within it. Okay. Now, by attacking the theory of absolute sovereignty, the pluralists also tend to distinguish between the state and the government. This is very interesting, my friends. In the discussions of Lasky, in his A Grammar of Politics, we find this distinction. Lasky basically finds the government as an agent of the state that basically is not a supreme power itself, but it exists to carry out the coercive power of the state. They also focus on the idea that the state derives its authority from the will of the people and thus it is not its own right. Okay. So thus it is that the pluralist theory sought to redefine the nature of the state as one of the many associations of the society, right? And they refute the supreme authority of the state, which may hamper the liberty of the individual in the society. Therefore, the pluralists try to recognize the several associations present in the society that can serve as a mode of the check of powers of the state itself, and thus they prevent the state from becoming absolute or omnipotent. So friends, this was the pluralist theory of sovereignty in very easy and simple terms for you. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to press the like button if you like my video, and please subscribe to our channel to inspire us. Very soon I'm going to come back to you with many more new videos. Until then, never stop learning, keep on exploring. Bye bye, see you soon.